In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a password in Anydesk step by step so you can enable unattended access and connect more easily to a remote device whenever you need it. This is especially useful if you want to access a work computer, a home PC, or any device without someone having to approve the connection every single time. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Anydesk on the remote device you want to control. This is the computer that will stay accessible, so make sure you're setting the password on the correct machine. Once Anydesk is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon. Depending on your version, this may appear as 3 horizontal lines or as a gear icon. From the menu, select Settings. Now that you're inside the Settings panel, look at the left-hand menu and find the Access tab or the Security tab, depending on how your Anydesk version is labeled. Click that section to open the Remote Access Security options. This is where Anydesk keeps the controls for unattended access and permission settings, so this is the right place to continue. Before you can make changes, you may need to unlock the security settings. At the top of the page, click Unlock Security Settings. If your device asks for a system or administrator confirmation, go ahead and approve it. This step is important because Anydesk protects these options to prevent unauthorized changes. Once the settings are unlocked, you'll be able to edit the password and access controls. Next, scroll down until you find the Unattended Access section. This is the part that allows someone to connect to the device without someone physically accepting the session each time. Under that section, click Set Password. A password field will appear, and this is where you'll create your unattended access password. Enter a strong password that you'll remember, but that others won't be able to guess. For better security, use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly, otherwise the password won't be saved. After that, look for the Permission Profile drop-down menu. Click it and choose the profile that best matches the level of access you want to give. This is important because it controls what a remote user can do once they connect. If you want more control and better security, choose a more restricted profile. If you need full access for trusted use, select the appropriate profile for that setup. Once everything looks correct, click Apply to save your changes. Anydesk will now store the unattended access password on the remote device, and your permission profile will be applied as well. From this point forward, you should be able to connect using the password whenever the device is online and available. And that's it. You've successfully set a password in Anydesk. This is one of the easiest ways to make remote access more convenient while keeping it secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.